So I had a pretty rude comment on one of my shorts. The guy said, "I'm obviously not an artist if I don't understand the concept that I was talking about." Which I was talking about AI art, whatever. He's right. But then out of nowhere, he adds at the end, he says, "Oh, and that haircut doesn't suit you." Hair shaming me out of nowhere. Part of me was like, "You think I'm ugly?" Like, or whatever. "You think my hair looks stupid?" But then I started thinking about it. I was like, so is he actively thinking of a haircut that would suit me? Because now I want to know, what was he thinking? What kind of haircut? Did he think I should have a mohawk? He obviously had an idea. Like, I see your face, I see your head shape, and that haircut is not what I would have chosen for you. I apologize to him for my ignorance and my appearance. You should use AI to generate some hair stuff. And I'm going to just Photoshop them all over my head. I'm going to send it to him. I'm going to be like, all right, choose. They did a study where they wanted to test, like, what's the healthiest alcohol? So the test had gin, vodka, whiskey, rum. They ran it through a few types of tests. Caloric count, and they did, sugar content, the whole nutritional portion. But then they also did this test where they took big ice cubes that were covered in bacteria, and they put in a little glass, and then they poured the alcohol over the ice cube, and they left it. And then when they came back the next day, they tested the amount of bacteria that was left in the cup. What ended up happening is all the liquors had basically the same amount of bacteria left, except for whiskey. The whiskey actually killed all the bacteria. They noted about 1,000 other things why whiskey's really good for you. So it's really good for me. This is why I'll live forever, and you'll all die because you're drinking vodka. This is Orbem. Orbem Explorer. This is the video game. So this is based off of my book series. You can check out the series. Orbem, it's book 1. Miropelia is book 2. And I'm working on book 3 right now. It's a sci-fi fantasy crossover novel. A lot of hard science, a lot of explanation, scientific stuff, a lot of programmy stuff. But then it's in a fantasy universe. So you get elves, you get magic, you get every animal humanoid that you could want. And I'm making the video game based off of the story. So I have a basis for the entire video game. I have my universe to use, which is cool. All right, but what are we doing? Let's start game deving, huh? But a skill to be able to learn a language is the best skill in the world. Being able to just pick up languages, APIs, programs, UIs, like quickly, you're gonna be fine. That's really cool. You're just learning everything you need to it's great to do until you need to make money. Then stop branching out. Stop learning everything. When you need to make money, you need to start only focusing on what makes you money, because that's what you need to like really hone in on skill wise. And then your little side projects, you can learn whatever you want for fun, but if you're gonna put time and focus into, hey, don't worry, you're not the only nerd here. Whoa. Don't be throwing the N-word around like that. Definitely not a nerd. Are you kidding me? I'm barely a dork. Yeah, I like the new iteration on the word nerd. Nerd it's such a compliment these days. It's crazy. 80s movies, maybe? That was the most, Revenge of the Nerd style. That has to be the most defamation version of nerd. And even then, man, that dude's cool. He's usually like hacking into stuff or something like that. Or you're telling me that being a big jerk and playing football isn't the coolest thing in the world? Weird. Though now nerds suck, you know what I mean? Because like everybody's like, oh, I'm a nerd. And they're like Instagram model and they watch anime, so now they're a nerd. I guess there's a spectrum of nerds, but to me, a nerd has to have a juxtapose, right? You have to have a non-nerd calling you a nerd to be a nerd. You can't just have a bunch of nerds calling themselves nerds. Then it's like everybody's just normal then. So everyone's a nerd, that means no one's a nerd. Come on down to WordPress town and hang out with good old Orbem Order and his scotch. You know what we do here. We party. Macs are good. They're just solid. They're kind of just like dependable more than anything. I mean, if you want control over your system at all, don't get a Mac. If you want to can overclock and go beyond the capabilities of a normal computer, don't get a Mac. It is what it is. It's as is, you know what I mean? It's just, you know, all the companies I've worked for, they just provide a MacBook Pro when you start working for them, so you kind of get used to it. When I was doing my freelance days and when I had to provide my own machines, I always had a PC laptop, or I never wanted to shell out for the money. Now it's very important. It allows me to trimulcast, you know, 3 different places at the same time. Linux, I've never used Linux, honestly. I know a lot of people do, and a lot of people like it. Especially with, you know, it's come a long way. I've never learned or done anything that I wasn't getting paid for. There's only so much time in the world, so much time in your life. I'll be honest, I was working for my first real job where I was post-production coordinator. I was doing like high volume photo retouching, and I was driving an hour there and back. I was stuck in traffic all the time, and I got a motorcycle, and even that wasn't that great. You know, I'd get there quicker and stuff, but the work was just so stale, and I wanted to be a web developer. And I got in a motorcycle accident, crushed my foot, ended up having to go to the hospital, and I was in the hospital for a week. Other than when they were trying to reset the bones and stuff, it was probably the best experience I had in a while. Just laying in bed for a week, people bringing me food, just knowing that I had the ultimate excuse to not work and like reset. I felt like this is great. Like, I need this break. And I knew I wasn't going to get it unless it was forced on me, because I never took time off or vacations. I'm still that way. It's really hard for me to take time off. It's harder on me. If you're really worried about, you know, your interactions online, get a VPN, and then say you're coming from the UK, because every website, I'm a website programmer, I know this, every website has super strict GDPR rules now, and we try to have the least amount of restrictions on the cookies that we can run, the scripts we can run. So any edge, any inch that we can get to like add another script on the page or add another cookie, we'll do it, because it's better for marketing purposes. It's better for dynamic content, that kind of stuff. I mean, it's not really like nefarious, but if you want to be safe, GDPR makes it almost impossible for websites to track anything without explicit consent. That's the difference. GDPR rules, they require you to opt in, whereas California and all these other laws, they require you to opt out. But on first load, you're getting tracked, right? All right, let's see if you can guess the song with screaming instead of singing. Did you get it? Graham, the main character, invents personal wormhole transportation. It's attached to his watch. I mean, he created a holster, a watch holster for his device. And eventually it's embedded in his mechanical arm. I have an affinity for mechanical arms, as you can see. I always loved them. I think I got ruined by Full Metal Alchemist when I was a kid. And then every time I see mechanical arms, I'm just like, why not me? And I know that's stupid because I don't want to lose my arm yet. I've seen some pretty crazy prosthesis. We're not far off from me cutting my arm off, so you know, I like bod mod, so Yeah, Game Doodle told me about JavaScript-based audio frequencies, and like it clicked in my head. I'm like, oh my god, I want to do like dynamic talking, change the frequencies based off of the word length, and give it some sort of quirky talking mechanics. And that's what I did. Boop, boop. Boop, 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 boop. I like it. Anyways, that's the old talking. What I changed was I added distortion using this Create Wave Shaper. It sounds like 8-bit music
Monday.
Now it sounds just like 8-bit. You've only lucid dreamed twice. Once when you were like 4. Honestly, I've had lucid dreams maybe like 40 or 50 times. Time is not a concept in dreams, but like it's usually right before I'm gonna wake up. Something weird happens. I'm not the kind of person that knows how to trigger it, but it triggers naturally for me. Maybe I'm just too, like I said, based in reality, too logical. I'm just like, what the hell? Hey, what's up, all? Who do we got on deck? I see PHP Officials avatar. I see Indy's avatar. Fantabulous. What is going on, guys? Welcome back. Happy Monday. Let's check out this Jalab Vercel after something very important. I'm wondering how many points we have, channel points. PHP Official, what do you got going on, points wise? Mm-hmm. 6.2k. Man. Well, then you should be doing a scotch tasting. I got some new scotch. And I gotta go get it. 1 second. Much better. You have 0? No, those are bits. It's right next to the bits. You might have a little thing that says like, claim your bonus. You gotta click on that button. And then it shows, it's like a bunch of little crystals. Because I changed the, yeah. And then when you click on that, you can see all the options of what you can use. 60 points? That sounds low. How do you only have 60 points? Alright. Well, then you cannot help me. And that's fine. I'll do this one for free. We got some Lafroig 10-year. Yeah, it's not a very uncommon scotch. Oh, he's at 2,000. Where'd you get the 60 from? That's interesting. Am I quiet? No, I'm not. Don't ask him to read numbers. It's very rude. Let us check out what we got going on the website. 100 TikTok notifications a minute. Oof. F that. Alright, that looks about right. Let's say goodbye to the floating heads. Goodbye. 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 All right. We in business. Make sure everything's running. Because we have some devin to do today. You're famous? That makes sense. Hey, someone's being mean to the Orbem universe on YouTube. I know. It's really upsetting for all of you Orbemites. That's a impressive cat. Oof, that's so good. Check it out. I'll show you the culprit. We've been going back and forth on one of my on one of my shorts. Today's short, actually. You might have seen it if you have seen my short today. Check it out. So first off, some rando. Oh. I guess I didn't pay attention. Wait a second. What? Orange tabby. He's nice, but he's very loud. Tabbies are loud. Wait, that's weird. This isn't right. I'm missing one of his replies. Let's go to the actual video. The book series right here. It's Orbem. So, it's a very harmless short. Just explaining the book series, you know. You didn't see the comments and someone started a fight with someone and got distracted. Nice. Yeah, here we go. Oh. Looks like he deleted his comment. Interesting. Wonder why he did that. Did he get banned or something? That's really weird. Let me double check his comment didn't get banned. I don't know why it would. Held for review. Yeah, nothing's held for review. Oh, here we go. It's back. Weird, it wasn't showing up. Something wrong with this? No. So, starts off with just, wow, that sounds awful. You know, why? It's like a stupid comment. It's like you hear like less than a minute about a plot of a book, and you immediately talk, you know, trash about it, even though you have no idea what it's about. Like, truly. And then I do my snarky comeback as always. And then he comes back and compares it to a book, you know, a couple books or something, saying I copied the book. Except for I just copied it worse or something. And then I looked it up, whatever that book series was. Apparently, I mean, it sounds interesting. A little bit too drama for me, but I guess it's like about space and like space wars and stuff like that. And I don't know. So I was confused. I'm like, what the hell does that have to do with alien space wars, right? And then he went on to elaborate what the comparisons were, which I guess was the second book in the series that he was making the comparisons, which, I mean, it's kind of a stretch what he's saying, but I can see where he's comparing it, you know? It's not like so far-fetched, but obviously him going out of his way to say, you know, that I don't have an original idea, and apparently he says that my writing level is, you know, low, apparently. So, I mean, how would you know that unless you read the books? I thought that was weird. So, yeah. So I commented that and I just gave the old, hey, thanks for the engagement. You know? But I don't know. It's really sad that people have to go out of their way to, you know, talk shit about something that somebody created unprompted. You know, not like, hey, what do you think? Hey, do you hate this? You know what I mean? I mean, I know that's what the internet is, and there's trolls everywhere, and whatever. I mean, I have plenty of bad reviews that, you know, yeah, I know. It makes no sense. I'm used to getting critiqued and stuff like that, but not by. I hate when I get critiqued by people that have not read the book. Critique negatively. If somebody says, hey, that sounds really good, I was like, cool, you know? Like, you still haven't read it, but I appreciate you thinking the idea sounds good. But, like, people going out of their way to say that this is awful, you can't write, your idea is stolen, you know, that kind of thing, without even reading the story and having no idea other than, like I said, this little short I put out to kind of just give people, like, an intro. It's really sad. And he's taking a lot of time to write all these comments out, you know, trying to say like, hey, this is bad, your stories are bad, and you're a shittier writer than this guy. It's when he hasn't even read it, you know. Exactly. You copied this book, you're a shitty writer. It's like, hey, what if my books are better than that guy's books? I mean, I know he's a super famous author or whatever. I'm not saying they are. I'm just saying, like, you haven't read it. What if you like it? Mine are kind of funny. This one sounds like a drama, like, internal Inception brain fuck. Like, what if you like fucking laughing? My book's funny, you know what I mean? Like, maybe you like it more. I'm just saying, like, it's really sad that people go out of their way to just hate. You know, just for the sake of it. I mean, it takes very little effort to talk shit about stuff. And, you know, I don't mind critiquing people as well about ideas and stuff that I don't agree with. But, you know, I just can't go to somebody's music or go to somebody's art or go to somebody's comic book or book, poem. And I can't see the point of me going there actively to talk shit about it. You know what I mean? And I talk shit about a lot of things, so that concept just doesn't compute. So feel free, anybody who watches in the future or now, yeah, go ahead and critique this guy on how shitty of a person he is. I don't care, because I think that's ridiculous. And, you know, especially for an indie author, you know, who's self-publishing and just trying to put out a cool story, you know what I mean, to try to tear them down. It's like, I'm not fucking Stephen King, you know, just trying to get another buck for another book or something like that. I'm not saying Stephen King does that, he's great, but I'm just saying I'm not like this giant name or anything trying to steal people's money with a bad idea that I stole or something. But that's probably what the guy does all day. They just go around leaving hate. Yeah, I know there's a lot of people like that. There's also a lot of writers out there, you know? And I can kind of understand why a writer would, you know, put a lot of time into their own stories, right? And think they're doing something really unique, and then see somebody out there with another story and be like, oh, fuck that, I gotta tear this guy down, you know, because I'm not successful. Like, why should anybody like his shit? You know, nobody likes mine. So yeah, it's a little sad. Sorry. Just chatting with the wife for a second. What was it specifically? Oh, just the regular app? Okay. What am I looking at? This looks great, by the way. But I think it looks the same. What did you do? I want to see. I only got the prod working. Oh, okay. Oh, you broke it, right? Like it got torn down. Torn down. Awesome, man. We'll see about that. You're fired. You're fired. Still works. Go to songs. Ooh. Oh. That's cool though. So is this like where all recordings are gonna get uploaded to, and then you can like collab on them? You can jallab on them. You should have a little button that says jallab next to view. Yeah, no, we'll definitely do some like filtering and stuff by genre, and they can, you know, search shit like that, tags and stuff like that. Yeah, no, that's sick. This is great. This is coming along. Yeah, upload is the only one that I'm not 100% on. I mean, I think it would be cool to like record something somewhere else and then upload it and let people collab on it, but no, I'm just saying, like, I don't know in general if we want to allow people to upload, because I really want this to be a more grassroots, like, you have to record it on your mic, on your shit, right there. Like, I don't want people to be uploading full songs, you know what I mean, and then asking people to collab on them. I just shot a torchlighter at a fly. You know what I mean, though? Yeah, I kind of feel like if you force them to use whatever mic they have, and they can have setups, you know, but like have it record just the input of the mic or the input of the guitar or mics. You can have mics everywhere. That way, it can be piece by piece, and you can build a song, and you know, instead of it just being like SoundCloud that you can record over other sound clouds. And eventually they'll build a song with the multiple layers, and you can re-record over your own stuff too, right? You can add layers onto your own music. That way somebody who plays guitar and sings or whatever can do a song, and then you can add drums to it or whatever. But it's still all recorded in the system. And that way we'll have a lot more control too. You don't want to have to deal with people uploading weird shit on the website. You know, if they're going to record something, it's going to be the same way as everybody else. Songs is great though. Every time they record something, they should be able to choose whether they save it, make it public, or just save it in their own shit. But yeah, I mean, eventually we'll definitely want a user sign up, right? And you kind of have the logic for that going on IndiePwn. Great job though. Glad you got it going again. That's pretty cool. Cool. Great. Yeah. Yeah, and you know, don't do anything that costs money, obviously. Stay free. We can always, you know, get this hosted and scaled and stuff like that. I'll handle the hosting and stuff. Right. Empty builds folder to get the files for the website. Yeah, we'll just do S3, you know? I don't see a point in doing anything else. we'll just do S3 buckets. They're super cheap. You can do 1 million files. And they'll scale, right? So, but right now, I mean, I might be able to set up just an S3 bucket. And then you could just use that if you want. Try for free. Sign up for a free account. Create a free account. Let's do Scott.Adrian.Orbem. Choose a name for your account. Scott Adrian. Go. Doop-a-doo, doop-a-doo, boo-boo. And nice, we did it. I'm not so sure I want to accept your knock. Your videos kind of suck. Yeah, well, you know, we can also use AWS for saving user stuff. It's called, what is it called? It's called, Cognito. No, yes. So this is customer identity and access management. So you can store user data and stuff like that directly in AWS, and it'll manage all the user stuff. I've used this before. Let's see here. This is going to be personal use. A doop 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 doo. Yes. Perfect. I have read. Let's do. I'm just signing up. What is it? October. And then 275 66222 poo poo. Great. Next. Let's give my old phone number. Alright, let me get my code. Alright. I'm going to do the basic free. Alright, we did it. Alright, we are in S3. Thank you. So, I know how this works. So we'll create a bucket. We'll call it songs, recordings. And let's do, yeah, East too. This is cheapest. Yeah, AWS is super easy. You just import the AWS client SDK, and then you just use, tutorials and stuff to make the calls. And you can just store whatever files you want. And you can delete them, you can read them, you can get a list of the files, you can manipulate them. And that API endpoint, it just gets the names of the songs or what? That'll be good though, because then you can get a list of the songs and you can, I don't know, if you need to do anything, you don't have to read AWS every time. We don't need tags. This is fine. I think all this is fine. Create bucket. Oop. Oh. I forgot it has to be Jalab recordings. There we go. JSON file. That's fine. JSON output's the best. Alright, cool. So now you have this. Jalab recordings. Now you'll need the SDK, you'll need an API secret, secret key, you'll need all that stuff stored so that you can make the AWS calls. So we'll have to set that up, but this is the start. We can just use this, super easy. And the same thing for the Cognito. If we go to services, Cognito. Yeah, so you just create a user pool, which is like a segment of users. Yeah, user directories for your app. Yeah, this is cool too. Something you can learn. I suggest looking into both. You said to GitHub? Nice. There's a private one and a public one. Nice. Ooh, you pay for private? That's pretty sick. That's pretty sweet, my friend. Alright. So, what were we going to do today? We were going to do this. We're going to make a quick video for the cutscene. Are private repos free? But you can't do like a lot of them, right? I thought they used to charge for private repos. What am I thinking? Maybe I'm tripping. Really? Huh. That's really weird. Maybe they changed that. That's actually pretty interesting. When did GitHub make private repos free? Huh. Oh. Holy shit. I've been living in the past. Fucking 5 years ago. I mean, I've been deving for, 20 years, so it makes sense why I wouldn't know that. Microsoft acquired GitHub and then they made them all free because they had the space. It wasn't a cost anymore. Dude, that's sick. I need to make all my repos private now. Not all of them, but there's a lot of them that I just had them free because I didn't want to pay. That's funny. Let's do that. It's not a bad idea. There are a couple I want private right now, including Miropelia. How do I convert security? How do you convert these? How do you change them? Code, author, website, new projects? No. Security, no security detected. How do I make you private? Maybe you can't convert it. Oh, I'm not signed in. Duh. I'm just looking at it because it's not private. See, you learn something every day. There we go, settings. That's what I was looking for. Unlimited private. Motherfucker. What the hell was I thinking? Change visibility. Here we go. Change to private. Destructive. Making them private could permanently erase these accounts. Oh, these counts by removing stars and what? Oh, good. I don't care. I feel much better that that is private. What else do I want? No. Don't care, don't care, don't care. Don't care. I think that might have been the only one. Yeah. Cool. Good. You know what? Fireworks. Just for that. Oh, I didn't make the fireworks. I wasn't looking at my screen. There we go. Alright, you guys got some free fireworks. Just giving them away. Okay, back to the movie. So, this is gonna be how it is. I know. I knew as soon as I said something, I'm like, oh shit, Indy's he's gonna fork my repo. He got it. Do you even know what my GitHub is? You could probably guess. Probably just look up. You do? You're privy to my GitHub? Here we go. Oh yeah, this is good. This is a cutscene. I kind of wanted to make the cutscene like a comic book and then have it just zoom into each frame and then zoom out. Is that too much? Should I just make it a slideshow? I mean, I guess it's not a big deal right now. I just was kind of trying to mess around with this a bit. And the fact that these are all square also is kind of lame. So let's actually add some bars and make this... What is it? Horizontal 1080 by 1920. Okay. That's the wrong way. God damn it. I looked at it and I still entered it wrong. 1920. Duh. 1080. This ain't no phone. There we go. And now we can zoom in. Make it full size. Oh, I guess I want to be like a comic book. Yeah. So they need all, okay, they all need to be in a new frame. Got it. Add a track right now. Why is it not adding tracks? Oh, it is. How many tracks? We'll add a couple more. Okay. Let's do that. We don't need sound right now. So we'll start up here. We'll go here. And then here. And then here. Here. Alright, now we're on to something here. Okay, so we have all of them. And let's do them all the same size. So it's going to be like... something like... Because what is it? 6? So we'll do 2, 2, 2, 2. I guess we'll have to do it a little bit bigger than... Yeah, we'll do it like this. 3 across, 3 on the bottom. 6. Kind of how my drawing was. Alright. I'll see you in a bit. So it's a little smaller. Let's go a little higher. Alright, see if that works. We'll copy you. Make it the same for you. Actually, I'll make it the same for all of them. And you. Great. And now we'll just move them one by one over. So this one will just move to the left. Oh, that's definitely not big enough, but it'll do. We'll just move all of them. And then we'll move you down. That is too small. But that's fine. Wait, what's this? Let's copy you. Do the other two. And then we'll move you left. Nope, wrong way. Something like that. There we go. That's about right. Now let's select all of them. We'll link them together. Boop. Now we'll move them. Wait, what? You're linked together. Why are you not moving? What? What kind of linked videos are you? I guess we can try selecting them all. Select. Select. Why are you not selecting? Okay, let's unlink these. Maybe grouping them. What the nut? How the hell do you do this? How do you grab multiple? Okay, I guess you can't. Good to know. That's really weird. What the hell happened to the controls? Oh, there they are. Alright, well, this is not working as expected. I have like a basic understanding of what I'm doing. But I don't see why I can't grab all of these. It does not make no sense. Come on. This is a stupid waste of my time. Okay, what the fuck? Scale the frame size, set frame size. Huh. Well, that's cool. Set frame size. What? Interesting. What else can you do? Yeah, multiple clips. But I would like to move all of them. Snap timeline, no. Selection, no. Maybe hand tool? Aha! That did nothing. That's not what I wanted. Yeah. This ain't doing it for me. That's fine. We're just gonna have to do it by hand. Nope. We'll just move it. Move it. That's not what I meant to do. I swear I kind of know what I'm doing. Yeah, okay. Nice. Lines 1. Yeah, whatever. I'm going to leave it like this. Okay. So now, the whole point of this is to basically make it pop out one by one. So we'll take the first one. Alright. And we will add a scale and position. And then we'll move over here. Like here. And then we will change the scale and position. So we're going to go to the center. Let's go to the center. Okay. Scale it up. Okay. And then we can do like a slow roll down. Okay, and then we'll go over here. And then we'll do another one. Up and down is this. And we'll go down. Great. Let's see what that looks like. So first scene, it'll play. And I'll go out. Ooh, that's a little slow. Why is it still moving to the right? What the hell? Why is it going in like a weird circle? That's weird. Interesting. Not what I meant, but let's at least move these things here. Make it a lot quicker. Same here. Alright, let's restart. Yeah, I still don't get why it's going all the way out to the right like that. Let's actually delete this one to make sure it just goes fine. Okay, so that's good. So I guess we should leave that for a second. And then we'll go like this. And now we'll move it down. See if maybe that was the problem. Restart. Yeah, there we go. Cool. That's pretty good. Let's double check. I want to actually move this a little closer together. Yeah, like pretty much right on it. Great. And then let's see if we can scooch it back. So right here, I need to do this. And then right here, let's see if we can do that. And that'll bring it back. Let's see what that looks like. So this would be the first scene. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Oh my god, it's going off center. And now it's going back. Great. Let's make it go a lot quicker though. And then we'll go to the next scene. Okay, what the fuck is it still doing that for? Why is this happening? Why are you going out of your way? And what's the point? Like, who said go over there? I'm just going up and down. Like, look. The left position is changing. Why? Oh, got it. It makes no sense, but I need to duplicate this to this one. Look, it's still moving. Why? It's the same fucking number. Look. It's the same number. Here. 983. 922. Oh, it's not the same number. Why? I just copied it. Well, whatever. Let's see what the hell is this. Copy. Go. Why? You're the same number. How many? What? You're the same number. Oh shit, I'm doing scale. I'm an idiot. God damn it. I'm dumb. My bad. Hey! Gatlin Kelly. How's it going? Welcome to the stream. Appreciate you jumping on and hanging out. We're just working on a cutscene video for Orbem Explore here. It's going to happen after you finish the minigame. It's going to start playing and it's going to lead us into our condo where we grab the katana. Which job do you think I should have? Sound technician, HVAC technician, or an electrician? Great question. Sound technician is probably the least amount of money you'll get up front, but it's the one that could end up making the most money. HVAC technician, always sound work, but you're pretty much capped. But it's a good industry. One of my best friends, Ryan Wood, the one I do, like that last song you just heard, we record together. He is an administrator at an AC unit, HVAC place, and he does really well, and their technicians do really well too. But it is like an hours game, depending on where you work. Electrician is like, that's a career. You know what I mean? Yeah, it depends where you're working. All of these depend on where you're working, right? Electrician, though, is a trade. That's something you could go and start your own business, and or you could work for Hollywood and work on lights, and you could work for major corporations for housing, or you could just do house calls. Sound technician, you can also start your own business, but it depends what you're doing. It could be pretty similar to an electrician. Yeah, no problem. But I'm not 100% on what a sound technician does. Are you talking about... Yeah, HVAC and electrician are both trades, but an electrician can work in HVAC. HVAC is very specific though, so I mean, you wouldn't be doing electrical work on power boxes and stuff like that outside of that 3.5K. But yeah, sound technician, are you talking about like setting up speakers at shows and stuff like that, and doing sound like live theater and stuff? Controls the sound in stages. Okay, yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, so like AV work. That's cool. I thought you meant sound engineer, like recording studio stuff. But that is, yeah, that's interesting. I think all three of those can be solid and can be. It matters what's offered around you. I have a feeling you could get more work as an electrician. It's a lot more broader of a field. Yeah, but you know, electricians are everywhere. There's also HVAC places everywhere, but again, it's a very specific field. So I don't know. I might hedge my bets being an electrician. It's massive money, and you know, you're being called upon by a lot of different businesses, right? It's not just one business. Many businesses need electricians to do work for them. He's a sound technician. Nice. You just got 169. Woo. Very nice. Well, we got this, which I just realized is going to be hard to keep straight for some reason. Oh, it's working. Why? Oh, it starts screwing up once I changed it here. Maybe I need to do the same thing I did here, like go bop and then send it back. Oh, I need to do both. Yeah, maybe we'll do that. And then we'll copy this. Try again. Your best is 180. Damn. Oh yeah, there we go. We got it. It's going straight down now. I just wonder if I can get rid of that stopping point. I think that's the only reason why it's working well though. Yeah, I just think we need to speed everything up now. Which should not be hard. We'll just move everything closer. Alright. Top, 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 top. Move you closer. And let's move these closer as well. And then let's scooch on over here. We gotta move these closer. Alright. I think this should be pretty good. Let's see. Yeah, I think the going down part needs to be slower though. So that was actually okay here. Yeah, that's better. I want the flow. Hold on, you're not in line. There we go. Yeah, that can be closer together. Those don't need to be different. Just kind of a cop out. Yeah. There we go. That's looking pretty good. We should be able to copy this now for the rest of them. So it'll be like first scene. What? Nice. Alright. So let's see if we can copy that. Well, I can't exactly copy that since it's in a different position. But let's see what we can do here. So boop. So we know that That's going to be the same position, but 826 is not. So let's copy this. Let's go here. Let's paste. Perfect. Let's just make sure that 826 is correct. So I think I already remember that I can't. That I can't exactly edit these. I really wish you could. It's weird you can't select these and edit them individually. I wonder where that is. Oh, you can put easing on it, but I don't want to do that. You invited me to the private Jalab repo so you can check out the SRC code. Hell yeah. You did your first merge thingy on GitHub and it was confusing, but you clicked the buttons and it went through. Nice. What do you mean merge thingy? You like pull requests and stuff? That's pretty sweet. Very cool, very cool. Alright, I have just come to the conclusion I cannot copy this. I'm gonna have to do it this fucking same every time. That's fine. We'll copy it in spirit. Okay, so we got that. Pulling is just, you know, pulling down the code into your branch. A pull request is just basically saying, hey, can I merge this code into another branch? Oh yeah, man. Need the visual. The visual is very necessary. Okay, so right about here, I want to start the next one. So let's do this. Doop dap a doop a dap. Okay. And we'll do the same thing. We're gonna go from here really quick and go whoop. Whoop. Oh, oops, not what I meant. Whoop. Oh, not good enough. Hold up. It's gotta be straight shot. Wait, so what's the size I'm using actually? Maybe I can just copy the size at least. The scale. So scale is 186. Okay. Scale is 186. Good. And we'll do... Nope. And we'll do this. Perfect. Okay. And we'll do this. Pop, pop. And then we'll do this. And we'll do this. Nope, this way. Okay. And we'll leave. Let's see if that works. Read the thing you sent. Let's see. Where'd you send it? Oh, that's gonna be a problem. Oh. Twitch chat. Reading radio station 991, which in Syracuse is classic rock. They're playing Irish music for the whole hour. They call it Irish Power Hour. That's sick. I like that. I like it. Hey, yeah, you saw earlier, by the way. I didn't comment on it. The emote got approved. That took a really long time. I wonder if they were looking to feel like copyrighted or something. It's very strange. So the problem we're gonna have here is that I need to make this be above the other layer, which is a problem. That means I need to have 2 tracks for each one, and it has to be one has to be higher than the other for the rest of them. What to do about that? I guess. I can leave them all, and then yeah, just put another layer on top. Let's add another layer. Add another track. That was the wrong way. God damn it. So let's copy you. Put you up here. Ugh. Put you up here. Okay, but we'll start it after this goes down. There we go. We'll start it here. Great. Yeah. So now we gotta ditch all this. Coot. And I'll be like, there we go. Perfect. We're getting it. This is only slightly annoying and tedious. I think I might just leave it at this. Yeah, I don't know where they are. It's not like that dude to not say anything. What I should do is change this to go to the very beginning. Or at least like way closer, yeah. So it goes da-da-da-da-da-da, goes back, and then this will start going right now. There we go. Which is much too slow. Alright, that's good. This should be much closer. Basically right there. There we go. It's a little too slow. Let's grab you. Cool. Great. And then let's just throw this in there for now, even though that's not how I'm going to do it. Because I know you have to do 1, 2, and then do that. So let's say it's like do 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 and back. Cool. Go a little bit shorter in between those two. Nope, wrong one. Right? Yeah, way shorter. Cool. Alright, this will work. So I'll export this as a video, and I'll leave the sound out. We don't need to add sound right now. This is just kind of testing my concept of how I want to handle the animated cutscenes. And then after this is, I'll upload it to the media library, and I'll reference it. It should work. So let's go ahead and export this. Let's make it much shorter too, because I do not want to sit around for a million years testing this. All right, we'll export this now. We'll put this in cutscene art. For success. And this is cutscene test. MP4, sure. Level 100 on monkey type. What level are you at? Alright. Let's double check the video actually exported correctly. Cutscene art. Go. Alright. We've got a high def 1080p video. Uh-huh. Good, good. And then we'll do the next one. Uh-huh. Got it. These images are horrifying up close. Alright, cool. And then it'll end. Alright. So now let's see if we can upload this to the media library. Yeah. We have to do it this way. Because I don't think you can use these as feature images. Cutscene art, transportation success. Grrr. Alright, cool. Now let's see what we got. Grand. MP4 uploaded to the website. Perfectos. Alright, cool. Level 73. Nice. You're getting there. So now, I have a pretty good idea about how to handle this. I think what I want to do is use normal cutscenes. So I'll use the same stuff I use for cutscenes. Oh my god. Nice. And we'll do... This is going to be called... whatever. Transportation success. Okay. I don't know why this is showing in code editor. Okay. Let's just double check I can't do video. Okay. It looks like you can't do it by video. Yeah. You cannot. So I'm gonna have to make a new field unless I can take something that already exists. You want to try a monkey type test with my settings? What are your settings? You sent your settings in JSON, you can import the monkey type. Monkey type. How do you import? Custom? Custom. What? Scott Adrian. Hi. What? Uh-oh. I joined my own stream. Couldn't possibly be my wife. Type in... Oh. What was it? Import? Oh, just type. Escape. Import. Ah. Oh, and I just pasted in. Where'd you send it? Change your name. I cannot change your name. Use your other YouTube. Use the Shane Adrian YouTube. I mean Gmail. Yeah. YouTube. Sent you in JSON Discord. You sent it in. Oh. Ew. Is that what that blob of code that popped up was? Okay, cool. Wow. Beep. Oh my god. It's a carrot. This is how you do your tests. This is ridiculous. Nice. Killing it. Love it. Carrot as a carrot. I thought a carrot was the arrow. What did I do? How do you redo it with your settings? Oh, repeat test. Okay. Interesting. Oh, just tab. Oh, I lost it at the end. One more time. Okay, here we go. I immediately die. Look at... I didn't realize the little monkey was tapping at the bottom. Test invalid. Man, I suck at typing. Man, that's rough. Trial and error. Yeah. I guess 97 is the best I've gotten so far. Accuracy was pretty bad. I wonder if I could do it if the mic wasn't in my way. Hold on, here we go. Okay, here we go. No, I already lost it. Lost it. My fingers feel so stupid right now. That's pretty good for the accuracy. Okay. Suffered for the accuracy. Went up, broke 100. Nice. That's a good strat. Oh, the sentences that you like. I'm getting worse. Yeah, I'm just getting worse. That's fine. You suck. I like your settings though. It's pretty cool. Okay. So I feel like we don't have any fields that we could use, unfortunately. I would like to just do this though. I feel like if I put the video in here, then I should be able to... Okay, we gotta get rid of the playback controls. Autoplay, maybe? This might be good actually. Yes, play in line. Because I want to control it. Poster image? Shut up. Alright, let's see what this looks like. Oh, I gotta actually attach this. So let's put this in Thyrus. Okay. And we need to attach this cutscene to something. We're gonna have to attach this to a mini game. So let's add mini game here as a new taxonomy. Ooh, next area is condo. So after this finishes, I want to send the person to the condo. Perfect. Yeah, so far pretty close to what I want to do. Only thing now, I need to register a new taxonomy. So let's do that real quick. Save this. You can't even upload a 10-second video to Discord. Why? Oh, just your computer speed or what? Is it just me, or have I not been getting any randos coming into Twitch lately? Oh, max file size. Got it. So let's close this. I do not need this open anymore. Yes, let's save you. No, cancel, wait. Save as. We'll say, yeah. Might as well. Yep. Gotta do it. Ooh, text track. What? I can add a text track? That's kind of cool. I know this is all HTML5 functionality, so I haven't tried out their video block. It's actually pretty cool. Nice. Okay, yeah, back to this. So we need to register a new taxonomy. And that's going to be in here. We'll call it Explore Mini Game, which is different than minigame type. And it'll be name. Oops. Caps lock is on. And we'll just call it minigame. Post types. It's just going to go on to explore cutscene. Cool. Alright, now that we have that, let's use it. Here's a minigame. And the minigame we'll use is going to be called... Shit. I gotta go back. Finish your blade device. Is that the minigame? I think it is. Finish your blade device. Finish your blade device. Grand. Oh shit. There we go. That's what I meant to do. It didn't show. You mentioned when you could upload 25 MB videos. Nice. I didn't know you could. I'm pretty new to the Discord game. I pretty much got into it. It started because of authors. I was when I was doing some of my like research into marketing the books. I basically came across that you needed to like cyber stalk some popular authors that were in your genre, and a lot of them had Discord channels for their community, and so I had to, for the first time, join. Where is it? Did I add it? I feel like it's not there. Okay, let's try again. What was it? Finish your blade device. It might not be adding it because it already exists, to be honest. Which means I can't use this. It's just because I think... Why can't I do it, actually? Because I don't think it's a part of a taxonomy. Finish your blade device. This should work. Yeah, it just doesn't want to. Oh, nothing's working. Oh. Okay then. Alright, man. See you later, PHP official. Thanks for jumping on. Out. Alright, so let's try this again. Yeah, how else am I going to define this? I guess you'll never need to use minigame again for a different cutscene, so might not be that crazy. Wait, what? Nothing changed? Then how dare you? Had to cut most of the cycle. Okay, let's see. Just looking for the right words. Very cool. Love it. Well done. Alright, so I think we're gonna have to get rid of the taxonomy. It just doesn't seem like it's doing what I want it to do. We're gonna have to go custom field. Annoying, but that's fine. It must be done. So, in that case, maybe we can add it here, get metadata. So type specific. Explorability, explore mission. I don't know what that's for. We get... Oh, it's only for explore mission. Got it, yes. Actually, that's exactly what I want. Explore cutscene. Then we're gonna have explore minigame. Alright. Perfect. That's what I wanted. You hate the double letter words. Yeah. Yeah, you kind of have to like stutter. I get it. Alright, what are we doing here? Explore mission. Okay, so I have to do the same thing here for cutscenes. So meta data cutscene. Yep. Oh yeah, where are we doing the array merge? Oh, right here. Cutscene. Perfect. Great. You need exactly 3,300 more channel points. Crazy. So what'd you think of your actual song? Here, let's play it just so you can rehear the beauty of your metal cover. Where is it? Oh, it's not showing up. That's weird. Let's see. I should have it here somewhere. Oh, it's in music, I think. Yeah. Mastered. Here you go. Now we got to play in the background for you. This is Indy's metal cover. He won via points. You're just gonna make it through the whole album. I believe it. Yeah, I tried to add double kicks to it from a sample. The karaoke instrumentals were not in time, so it did not work. Let's save. Alright. What up, Seashell? We're listening to Indy's metal cover he requested for his 10K. I even sang this for him. What the? Oh. That was a little too brutal. No, I didn't make the music. It's karaoke, instrumental. I just did all the singing and screaming. There she blows. That was the first song that Indy could find, I guess, on his playlist when he was requesting his metal cover. And for 10,000, yes, you can have me add metal lyrics to your song. I can add metal vocals to your song. Oh God, say it ain't so. Say it ain't so. Easy. It is a steal. All you have to do is come here, spend time with me, do messages. You know what I mean? And you get paid. You get paid to be here. I'll do say it ain't so. No problem. Yeah, because I usually charge just to add vocals and metal to a gig. I charge like $50 or whatever. If you have your own lyrics and stuff like that, which these are all covers, so it's kind of like that. But if I'm gonna write all the lyrics and the melodies, like a brand new song, it's what was it, 200? Might be $200. Because that just takes time, having to write lyrics and shit. I did that recently though. Somebody requested it. Yeah, it's not bad. I mean, like I said, I'm not making buco bucks off this junk. It's just for fun. It's just more about just paying for my time. It's not like I'm trying to make a major profit. I just use it, honestly, because it's a Fiverr gig. What happens is when people buy your gigs, it stores it in your account as like Fiverr bucks, which you can, you know, cash out and get paid for. Or you could use your Fiverr bucks to buy other Fiverr gigs, which is where they get you, which is what I use mine for. Because I like pay for people to make instrumentals for me, or like artists to make art and stuff like that. So I just use my gig cash. Not a bad exchange, if I do say so myself. Next. Oh, what am I doing? Oh, it's just no, not cuts. Yeah, it's explore. No, it's a mini game. Explore mini game. Yeah, I heard you're not streaming for a while, Seashell. Hope everything's alright. Just work? I know you cut out before too, for a little bit. You're a lot stronger of a person than I am. I don't know if I can just not stream. I feel guilty. Though I did get through 4 more chapters of the audiobook for Miropelia, so we're on our way to getting that out. Oh shit. Whoa. You're gonna lay that on me. Yeah, dude. Wow, I'm surprised you're, you know, chilling here. I mean, I hope it wasn't sudden, cause that's really unfortunate. I mean, we're still too young to be losing our dads. You know what I mean? I mean, my dad's not super young, but okay. That's what I was thinking. I mean, that's what I was hoping. Not that he had brain cancer, but that it was something that wasn't just like, boom, got hit by the bus, you know. It was still fast, so yeah. No, that's really rough. Damn. Yeah. Well, are you you have any brothers, or are you the only man? Because that is a responsibility that you cannot take lightly. You have a brother? Older or younger? You could still be the man. Older? Oh, okay. So you can just fucking sit back. Just kidding. He could be a major loser. I don't know. Sometimes older brothers are. I've seen. I don't have an older brother. I have an older sister, and she is useless, so. He's great? Okay, cool. Well, that's great. I'm glad you have some support in the family, and a nightmare. Condolences, man. Seriously. That's really rough. Oh. I met him? Oh, he's found us. Okay, cool. That's great. Hey! You got the Jalab YouTube? Is that what you were saying, Indy? Well, obviously you took it, Indy. Or maybe it's just your name. Was it Jalab? You got the handle Jalabio, not Jalab. Ah, bummer. Oh, son of a bitch. Jalabio is good. Jalab.io. It could also be jalab.io, like DOT. Yeah, man. Hope you stream again too. Your game's been making a lot of progress. You just got your stream page up. I know you're excited to start moving forward. Well, I got a sweet video that I've been making. Check it out. This is the the AI generated cutscene. Yes, please do that. I wasn't even thinking about that. Where's my preview? How do I even play this shit? I guess I could just play it here. Yeah, in case you jump, I'll show you real quick the test video. So, definitely want to... I'm still debating whether I want to animate this myself. Because I definitely can't consider... Yeah, you like the gram? I mean, he doesn't wear glasses, but... and then none of these characters look correct, but... Just going through the scenes. Salverson's looking pretty creepy in the background there, with no face. Yeah, it's pretty rough. But yeah, so I just wanted to kind of test out how I want to do the video edits, kind of comic book style. We'll go up, we'll do like maybe a little voiceover, some background music on each scene, and then that'll. Right now I'm working on the transition now, because I already have cutscenes, so I'm going to use this the same way. But I'll put a video inside of the content using the video block. I'm just creating a custom field right now so that I can attach it to a mini game. So when the minigame finishes, what'll happen is it'll start the cutscene. And then once the cutscene stops, it'll send you over to the condo. And I already have that, logic right here, next area. Oh wait, right here, next area, this little field on the right. So I just added condo here, so once this cutscene's considered over. But I'm gonna have to add video play logic to cutscenes, so it's not going to just be talking anymore. jalab.io at gmail.com. Nobody took that. There's no way anybody took that. What about just jalab? It might be like a Middle Eastern word. Halab or something. Or maybe Spanish, I don't know. Halab. Jalab and jalab.io is taken. It's Toucan. Well, that's too bad. I think this will work now. Let's just make sure it's in the actual MetaBox template now. I like my new array structure though. It's making it better. A lot more dry. I don't have to do a bunch of typing. Jalabio. I like Jalabio. It reminds me of Fabio. Welcome to Jalabio. Jalabio? Okay, that's minigame. I need cutscene. Do I have one specific for cutscenes? Missions? Yes, I do. Cutscene. We'll put it at the bottom here. It's gonna be a text field. Right here. Pop. I called you. Pop. Let's actually... Yeah, whatever. We'll call it minigame. Minigame's fine. And we'll call it minigame. I hope I don't already have a user meta for minigame. I don't think I do. Because that'd be stupid. Oh yeah, I need to do like what value. Is it values? Value? Yeah. What's your thought on SiteGround? I have zero thoughts on SiteGround. We'll find out right now. Oh, just another WordPress host. WooCommerce hosting. Wow, so they actually put the plugin in there for you? I don't even know what that means. What do they do extra for WooCommerce, I wonder, actually? They do... What do they do? WooCommerce enabled. Ooh, they enable the plugin for you automatically. Whoa. Go geek. Yeah, that's it. They just enable it. Free installation of WooCommerce. Free installation of WooCommerce. It's like 3 clicks. That's crazy. WooCommerce is literally like install, activate. I have WooCommerce. You know, it's not like it's like a code integration. You need to do anything. That's cool though. I mean, marketing's marketing. All right, let's see their hosting. I hate their font. It's like Comic Sans. Web hosting. Well, let's just, I don't know. Maybe you're looking at it for WordPress. 30-day money-back guarantee, fully managed, automatic setup, migration updates, multi-level security, extra reviews, yeah, it's horrible. Okay, best value. $4.99 a month. Okay. That's not a bad price. 20 gigs, not enough. 100,000 visits is enough. Unmetered traffic, that's cool. And then we got domain. Ooh, free domain. Ooh, that's kind of cool. Does it say unlimited websites? Unlimited databases. Database can't exceed a gig. Ooh, you only get 1 gig per database. But you can have as many databases as you want. A gig is like good for a starter, but that's not a lot. What does this one have? Shit, it's still only a gig. I mean, I know a few databases I could download right now that are like 6 gigs. That's fine though. Free CDN? What do they use? I wonder. So like Fastly or something? Might be. I'd like to know what they use. Daily backups. Great. What kind of security? Okay, they're behind a WAF. That's good and bad. WAF's kind of in the way sometimes. Caching. What are we doing? Super cacher. Never heard of it. Oh, they offer mem caching. That's cool for the database. And then I don't care about your renewable energy shit. 30 days, money back. Cool. Add collaborators. All right, so what do they do for WordPress? Normal shit. They give you plugins that are free. And they offer the WPCLI and SSH. What, like on their platform or? Huh. I mean, that's not crazy. On-demand backup copies, 30% faster PHP. Wait, how can you guarantee that? Ultra fast PHP implementation. What? What the fuck does that mean? What are they doing? So you need 2 websites. One for your business and one for your game. It's going to be super simple. Great. Oh, WordPress is a great option for that. There's a lot of themes out of the box. Okay. Here's your domains. Ew, gross. Ugh, what are you thinking? This is your, what, your like AI, Arrow, whatever, Arrow generated websites? Nah, that's cool. Yeah. Yeah, honestly, I don't think you can go wrong. But you're on GoDaddy already. I mean, they have their own WordPress hosting. I don't know if the price is good. I haven't done it, but I'm not so sure you need. Yeah, maybe because I mean, honestly, once you have WordPress, you don't need the host to do anything for you. It's not like they're designing it for you or anything. Because once you have WordPress, then you install your third-party theme. That looks really nice to you, you know? And then you install some plugins to do what you want. I mean, you don't have to install any plugins. As long as you like the way it looks, you know, from the third-party theme, and you can kind of change colors and fonts and stuff like that. Then it's just creating the content. And Gutenberg lets you do anything. So, $8.99 a month for basic WordPress hosting. Wow. Obviously this is better. But this is discounted from $29.99. And this is discounted from $17.99. So, I mean, $8.99 for one or $17.99. Like, this is where they get you. And then after the first month, you know, or first 6 months, I don't know what it is. It's probably after the first month, it goes up to $17.99. But I'd check on GoDaddy too, because that might be a reduced price as well. For all I know. Yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, I've showed this before, and you can't go wrong with freehosting.com. You can't beat free. That's all I'm saying. Free. Get your web hosting right here. Free web hosting. And guess what? They offer WordPress. And I've already signed up. Where is it? I've signed up before. I don't want to do it again, but I promise. This is real. I did it. And it's here we go, features. cPanel, which is all you need, site builder. They have their own site builder. I thought they offered WordPress too, actually. Let me see here. Apps installer. Here we go, WordPress, right here. Yeah. So you can install WordPress directly using their hosting service for free. No, it's legitimately free. It's got a lot of limitations. You know, they don't give you a free domain. You have to hook up your own domain. They also, like, let's see the limits. Yeah, see, look at WordPress blog builder. And then they have unmetered bandwidth, which is the same shit that they were offering. There's no free trial. It's free. Forever. And they can host your own domain. And then I know they have limitations on like DB size and that kind of stuff. But yeah, just fucking, yeah, and do it. Like I signed up in 2 seconds. Actually, let's see. Let me just log in. I think I did this myself here. Oh yeah, here we go. Yeah, so you just do this. And wait, is this my shit? Or, oh, maybe I need to resend my verification. No, I don't have an affiliate link. I should. I keep talking about them. I'm gonna ask them for an affiliate link. I just like, I was looking at them like, what's free host? You know, we need a free host. You know what I mean? Let's see, verify. There we go. So services, my services, portal home. How do I host? Wait, what? Shop? Wait. I don't have an account. Free. Oh. Oh, maybe this is where I got stuck. It wanted me to register. So I think you need to connect. Because they don't just give you a free, like, hey, freehosting.com. Yeah, I think you have to actually, like, hook it up to a domain, which I didn't have one. Yeah, I got to the point where I was like, I think I was like, putting in one that I have. There we go. Something like that. That should work. Continue. Yeah, there's a lot of things you can add on to it. Checkout. Free. What? Free. Let's see. I thought I already did this. I'm making sure this is legit so you don't have to. 10, 25. Okay, complete. Alright, free. Wait, there's errors. What are the errors? I see no errors. Oh, user already exists. Yeah, see, I already have an account. Why are you fucking creating a user then? Well, then why are you telling me to create a new one? Why are you doing what you're doing? Free hosting. I already signed up. Account details. Where's my fucking account? So it already says I have an account, but then it doesn't let me... Oh wait, switch account? No? Can't hear me? Oh no. You go with the building up the site once I get established, let's pay for something. Yeah. Right. Hey, Deck Dude. How's it going, man? Sorry you can't hear me. I'll give you some thumbs, though. There we go. Thanks for showing up. That's for you. Even though you can't hear me. Yeah, it's kind of weird that I can't sign up for a new account, but I also can't find my current account. Oh, maybe it's because I tried to sign up with a domain, but I never actually like connected it. I don't know. But it already says I have an account, so that's kind of weird. Alright. Oh, at least you get to see what it comes with. Alright, see you, Deck Dude. 10 gigs of space. Not bad. Unlimited bandwidth. Cool. One website, one email account. That's pretty cool. It gives you email. Oh yeah, happy October, guys. We made it. It's my youngest daughter's birthday today. And you get a database. No subdomains, no subdomains. Yep. Cool. Do I have a promo code? Nah. I don't know shit. Yeah, I'll have to contact them. See if they can get me an affiliate code. I'll have to sign up with a new account though. Next time. Ooh, you getting a 3D printer? Hell yeah, man. 3D printers are fantastic. I highly suggest getting a 3D printer. I use mine all the time. And then I don't use it for a long time. And then I use it a lot. Really depends how I'm feeling. Wait, Seashell Studio doesn't have a... Oh yeah, he does. There he is. I was wondering where your character went. Yeah, I love my 3D printer. Which one you getting? Do you know? I unfortunately bought a very rudimentary one. Still works great, but damn, the technology they have now, I missed out. What the Sigma? It's IF Vix Z. What up, IF Vix Z? Yeah, send me your birthday list, man. I need to know what to get you. Alright, we copied that. And now we gotta put it in a minigame. Oh, we did. Explore minigame. Perfectos. Fantastic. Ooh, audio works. Hell yeah, that dude's back. That reminds me that we need... What is this? Balloons? Woo! Hell yeah. Let's go. You sent your... Alright, let's see this list. Ooh. What is this? You found some weird things? It was Buddha's dick. It got censored. Where'd you find Buddha's dick? Cardboard guy. Sorry, looking at something random in general. Birthday list. Monitor. Speakers. Oh, here we go. 3D printer. This is what I want to look at. Oh, shit. You're going resin? So, email thingy so I can get info on the account. Nice. Unfortunately, Zoho is charging. They didn't used to charge. Zoho used to be free. That's why I started using it. But then they started charging. If you want. I think it's if you want multiple emails. Wait. So you want to go resin? Is this going to be your first 3D printer? Buddha's dick. Yeah, I know. You have an Elegoo Nepcon 3 Pro and it's sweet. Man. I know resin's gotten a little easier to handle. Wait, why are you ordering filament for a resin printer? What? Filaments for an FDM printer. Oh, you didn't know this was a resin printer? I'm like, what the fuck? Filament for a resin printer. And no, you need a bunch of resin for a resin printer. I mean, it's cool. I don't have one. I don't have like a washing station or a curing station. Like I do this in my office, so I don't want to deal with that. So I have my FDM, I have my Creality, but I know resin is very cool, and the resolution on resin is getting insane. That's cool, but it's a major hobby. I use mine like for utility, like I make it when I need pieces of something for something that's broken or something I need to make a retractable sword so I can hit my kid with it, stuff like that. But resin's really cool when you want to get very detailed pieces like a bearded dragon. And I agree with this. But yeah, if you're going for an FDM printer, have you heard of was it Frankly Built? This dude?
Hey guys, what's up? I'm Frank, and welcome to the channel.
Replacing box and shit because you Minecraft. Ooh my gosh, is that a fun pig? What? Elegoo, and that's what you got. Oh, nice. You got your Arduino from an Elegoo? So Frankly Built is the guy who inspired me to get a 3D printer, and he has a lot of suggestions, like best 3D printer right here. And look at his newer videos, because I went through all his old videos when I was like learning, and that's where I got the suggestion for my printer. And then I got more to like the newer videos, and he had like way better suggestions. I was like, fuck. But I mean, mine was very cheap, so. Neptune 3 Pro. Yeah, Seashell. Use that. Wait, is that a Neptune 3 Pro? Is that a FTM? I forget. Well, let's see. You guys could all be crazy. Let's check his description for what he thinks is the best. Okay. Top 3. Creality Ender 3. Wait, what? Is he still suggesting this? This is what I have, by the way. This is my printer. I have a Creality Ender 3. And it was $160. Yeah, and I've actually ran mine for, for 17 hours, this little Creality Ender 3. And it works. I've had very little issues. Other options. Wait, what the fuck year is this? Hold on. Oh, no. This is old. Excuse me. This is a very old video. This is why I'm confused. Latest. Here we go. What's the best? I was like, what the hell? Why are all those old printers in there? He's got some Prussias. What to buy? Here we go.
So, you want to get into 3D printing, but you just don't know what 3D printing...
Let's see what he suggests. Yeah, no problem. You did 36 hours with no issues? Nice. Here we go. Oh. He's still suggesting the Ender 3. And this is only a few months ago. Nice. I'm still number 1. And that's for the cheapest, obviously. If you want to go up more in price, he's got a lot of different ones that are very good. I would take a look at this list, man. Check your price point, and I honestly, I trust this guy. So, if you're interested, yeah, and there's a lot of them out there, and a lot of them are offering the same shit, and they're very easy to handle, and yeah, but just get into it. The reason he always suggested the Ender 3 is because, first of all, it was really cheap. Second of all, it's kind of a DIY, like it says. Like, you have to build it yourself. It's not out of box. And, I mean, you have to put it together. It's not really building. And then, yeah, you have to level it yourself, and it's a lot more manual and stuff like that. But once you get it dialed in, I haven't really had many issues. I've had it for years. Ooh, let me see. Yeah, Bamboo Lab. Bamboo Lab. I want to get a multi-color printer. I want to be able to print multiple colors of filament. That's my jam. That sounds like a lot of fun. Where'd you say you did it? In the engineering. Oh, here we go. Whoa, what is this? You're a professional businessman. Nice. Was this a briefcase holds GameCube controllers? It's a very hot market. Slam the perfect size to hold down the controller sticks. Nice slid for a blue candy. Wait, did you make the briefcase too? Oh, it's a drawer that slides in and holds the control stick down. Why does it hold the control stick down? You did make the briefcase too. Hold on, I want to view this. Right. Oh. Yeah. Why do you hold your dick down? So when you push the drawer in, it holds the button down. So it's kind of like a tool. Hold the dick down. Used to hold, yeah, this new thing wants to do. Disability and you can't use it. Oh, okay. Very specific. This is cool, man. Why GameCube? What is he speed running? I mean, I have a GameCube, but Kirby Air Ride. Wow, interesting. Yes, Dak Dude, question before you leave. Please grace me with your question. Because actually, I think I'm going to head out too. How hard and cheap is it to make a custom 3D printer than to buy one? I've seen another guy, another YouTuber. Shoot, I think it's on my phone. Let me check. What's his name? His name is... And I'm getting to your question because this guy does that for like... He's done it multiple times since I've watched his videos. Shoot. I think I might have unsubscribed because I was just kind of over his content because I watched so much of it. I burned myself out of people. Yeah, I think I got rid of him. But, it's a lot of freaking work. And it's like super intricate, and you really need to know how to program the computer chips and everything. Yeah, keeping everything like fucking precise. Machining it. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, because if anything is not square, anything is off, you know, if you just kind of screwed up your Z index screw or whatever, like anything is off, it's just, you know, it'll break. And you, I mean, if you want to do it just to have fun, then do it. But if you want a 3D printer, man, they're so cheap now. Just get one, you know. But yeah, you can make a giant 3D printer. You know what I mean? If you make them from scratch. Yeah, that's what, just like Seashell's saying. It's really hard to beat it for the price these days. Correct. Yeah. They are able to get stepper motors and, you know, all these like heating ends and fans and all that kind of stuff, you know, because it's in bulk, but it's more expensive for us. All right, Tech Dude. Thanks, man. I'll see you around. And actually, everybody else, I gotta go too, because I gotta get some damn sleep. I really appreciate you all being on here. Let's raid somebody and get this show on the road. Who are we gonna raid? Oh, you're not gonna be on tomorrow? No problem, bud. I'll see you when you get back. Ghostbusters? Alright, let's do it. I like that suggestion. Raid! Doom, 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 doom. Ghostbusters. What? Oh, are you just making a joke? Who you gonna raid? Ghostbusters. I was hoping that was a real person. Alright. Indy, you always have a good raid suggestion. If not, I'm just gonna do Grumble of Pugs. You have 6 seconds. CA2 software? CA2 software. Alright. I'm in on it. Let's raid this dude. Yeah, but thanks, guys. Happy Monday. Happy October 1st. I'll be on tomorrow, obviously, and we'll continue. We'll get this video playing, function doing it, working well, and I will catch you in the next one. Good night. Goodbye.